This is the emergency lowering procedure for a Teupen TL72A. If you are operating a different lift, look for a QR code on your lift titled Emergency Lowering Procedure. Step 1. Adjust engine speed to 3000 RPM. Go to the front of the lift and open the engine box. Using this button here, increase your engine speed. Keep increasing until the electronic display shows 3000 RPM. Step 2. Prepare the manual hydraulic controls. Start by removing the panel behind the boom turret labeled Emergency Lowering. Inside this cover you will find two valves. Screw the one labeled First all the way out, and then screw the one labeled Second all the way in. Also inside this housing, you will find three levers. We will only be moving the lever closest to the middle of the housing. Push the button on the pin, remove the pin, push the lever forward, and then insert the pin into the top slot. This will lock the lever down in place. Step 3. Manually lower the lift using the hydraulic controls. It is important to note that all safety functions are fully disabled when using manual hydraulic controls. Please be extra careful of your surroundings. Start by opening the hydraulic controls box on the side of the turret. This will also be labeled with an emergency lowering sticker. Here you will find labeled buttons corresponding to the various lift operations. To operate the basket level, you will need to press two valves simultaneously. This will be either basket level up or basket level down, in addition to the valve that initiates the hydraulic. Use these controls to safely lower your lift. In general, it is best to bring the lift in, then rotate it, then bring it down. Adjust your basket level as needed. If your electronics are malfunctioning, you may need to manually pump the hydraulics while you operate the valves, as shown here. Step 4. Return all valves, levers, and the engine RPM back to the original positions. If the manual hydraulic pump was used, return the handle to its original position. To return this lever back to its original state, you will remove the pin, pull the lever back, and insert the pin into the bottom position. In the same housing, you're going to turn the valve labeled Second all the way out, and then the valve labeled First all the way in. This is going to be backwards to what is written. Lastly, lower your engine speed back down to about 1800 RPM. You can now close all covers and compartments.